Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones, and I'm here to share a collaboration with Sonja and Sandra. Sonja, the Domestic Diva DIY, and Sandra from the Schwowin'sNest came together to make this trash to treasure Christmas or winter collaboration. So please check out their channels in the link in the description down below, and check out the rest of the playlist of other wonderful crafty crafters, as I like to call them. So here's what I have to work with. Yeah. Well, anyway, this was kind of presented to me by a friend of mine. Like, she didn't give me this as a gift. Wait, let's understand this. She was going to get rid of it, and before throwing it away in the garbage, she thought to herself, hey, Annie can do something with this. And that I will right now. So I'm going to use this tray, recolor it. I like the red. The red is nice. And it's a nice solid tray, so I'm not going to paint all over. But this gotta go. So let's start with this. Now, to start the base, I'm just going to use, I always forget to bang it on the table. Okay, this isn't gonna work. Yeah, I had to step away and get my son to help me open this. Doesn't that always happen? Why does that always happen? I guess because the paint gets stuck to the cover. So this is paint. I always buy these sample paints. I get them for 50 cents at Home Depot. Check out your local store. It's good paint. It's bare. And as a base, I always like to use this paint simply because it provides better coverage. And since this is a bit slick, if you don't have chalk paint, good thick acrylic paint will do the job. Now, I didn't tape off the red. Why are we not surprised? I'm not the most precise crafter, but it'll work. Just make sure to get in the corners. I can touch that up later. Yeah, it's white. It's all white. It's all white. Well, let's just say I had a bit of a faux pas. Got frustrated. Just went outside to my backyard and spray painted the whole thing white. There's still some hues of red coming through. I don't care. I kind of like it with a little bit of the pink hue on the sides. So yeah. So when in doubt and when things don't work out, just spray paint the whole thing and start all over again, which is basically what I did. So let's continue. So I have this wonderful set of window clings, which I've used one of them. If you notice, there's one mug that's missing, and I used it in one of my gingerbread inspired collaborations. So I want to use this, and again, you cannot serve food on this tray, not with this amount of spray paint. Even before this, redo, you could not use this to serve food directly. Now, to serve coffee or to have it as a coffee tray, perfect, or a hot cocoa tray. So let's get started with the decoupage part of this. And things just keep falling off my desk here. So I haven't even tried to set this out, which I should have. But, I don't know, let's just have some fun with this. I like this little red one up here. And I like this, it has a vintage vibe to it, these little mugs. So if you didn't know this, you could decoupage window clings. It works out really nice. And that's why sometimes it's best to have a white background. I was trying to be creative and say, oh, we can have this kind of background. Yeah, just use white. So there's your first little window cling. I'm going to play with it. Just move it down a little bit. Just make sure your paint is perfectly done and it's nice and smooth. Let's see, which should we do next? Let's put the other red one down here with the gingerbread man. These dollar store window clings are absolutely fabulous because you use them for everything. I actually used to use the window clings on my kitchen cabinets sometimes. Yeah, let's do this one that way. There we go. And because these are plastic, it's going to resist, like if you do use this for mugs and stuff, it's going to be great. But again, I'm going to cover this again. I like this green one. I guess I'm going to do green one this way. Can I do it that way? Do I need to use a shorter one? Oh well, I guess I'm going to leave that there because it's pulling up the paint underneath. So the paint wasn't completely dry. That's okay. We'll just work with what we got, people. Just work with what we got. There we go. I don't want to paint this again. I think that works out well. And let's use this little Santa mug right here. Kind of in the middle there, I guess, like that. Ah. I'll put the little elf one in the middle. Might as well use them all. I don't know what else I'm going to be doing. There we go. Could overlap the other cup a little bit, that's fine. And then the elf one. Let's see, do we have space for the elf one right in the middle? Yeah, right there. Smack dab in the middle. And if you're wondering, yes, I am doing this at lunchtime. Didn't have time to do this last night. So, yeah, lots of fun. That's what I do at lunchtime, people. That looks cute. Oh, that's cute. I like it. And then there are all these little candies, so we can put the little candies just to fill in the spaces. So if you have a candy inspired kitchen, and excuse my son who's screaming in the background. Probably having some issues with schoolwork. This is really coming out very cute. And really easy. I mean, let's face it, only I can mess this up. Which I did. But we're good. We're good. It's gonna turn out adorable. I mean, just to have a tray to put on mugs and stuff. And even for like cookies for Santa on Christmas Day. This works out just fine. So see, it has a little bit of a bluish background. That's why I was trying to do a bluish background originally, but oh, that is so much fun. Anyway, I hope you guys like this thrift flip. I did, even though it had its little ups and downs and its little problems, but it's cute. I think it's adorable to have it at a coffee station or at your hot cocoa station. And I think it'll work out just fine once I seal it. So once again, I want to thank Sandra and Sonja for creating this playlist and for having all these wonderful collaborators and creators. And as I say every night, as I go live every night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't know how long that's going to go for. Don't know if that's going to change for the new year. But as God is my witness and as God continues to give me health and stamina, I will try to go live every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So remember, stay safe, be kind. God bless each and every one of you. And remember to live the adventure. I like it. Bye. I was gonna make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Well, you have